What do you think about cryptocurrency? Are you invested? Cryptocurrency?
Yeah, so I'm a proponent of crypto. I do use crypto.
This trader turned $251 into more than 1.14 million investing in a crypto meme coin of a frog. That's more than 4,500 times their money. And this happened all in less than 1 week.
Look at this price chart. This is the price chart of Dog with Hat, one of the Solana meme coins which skyrocketed in 2024. The price of Dog with Hat's native token increased by 2,903% in the first quarter of 2024, going from 15.28 cents to $4.58.86. Imagine turning just a $100 investment in January into a whopping $2,903 by April. That's the power of meme coins for you. Now, what if I tell you that there are dozens of other Solana meme coins that can make you rich by the end of 2024? Yes, you heard that right. There are more hidden gems out there waiting to explode in 2024. And I'm here to shed light on the top 6 Solana meme coins that could potentially fatten your wallet. I'll explain how to purchase these digital assets safely and smartly. Stick with me to the end because this isn't just another crypto talk. It could very well be the key to your financial breakthrough in 2024. But before we get to the topic, please make sure that you've subscribed to our channel and hit the bell icon. Now, let's unravel the mystery of the top 6 Solana meme coins that might just be your ticket to making a fortune this year. Why is everyone talking about meme coins? Why is everyone talking about meme coins, you might wonder? Well, let's dive into the craze that's shaking up the crypto world. According to the latest report from CoinGecko, meme coins were the crypto rock stars of Q1 2024, with an astronomical average return of 1,312.6% across their top tokens. Specifically, newcomers like Book of Meme, BOME, and Cat in a Dog's World, MEW, entered the crypto scene in March, making a grand entry into the Solana meme coin pool. So what's the deal with meme coins causing such a stir in the crypto universe? They started as internet jokes, but have quickly turned into serious business, minting billionaires, shaking up market dynamics, and pulling a crowd towards the decentralized finance scene. Here's why meme coins are the talk of the town. First off, the celebrity shoutouts. When big names like Elon Musk tweet about Dogecoin, the world listens. These celebrity nods bring a spotlight to meme coins, sparking public interest and market activity. Then, the community sentiments. Rooted in internet culture, meme coins have a knack for building active online communities. This strong community backing often translates into price surges thanks to collective enthusiasm and promotion. Then comes the speculation game. Meme coins are the wild cards of the crypto market. Their price can skyrocket overnight, making them a speculative gold mine for those looking to make a quick buck. Another reason is that meme coins are for everyone. Unlike their more expensive counterparts like Bitcoin, meme coins are wallet-friendly, offering a low entry barrier for the average Joe and Jane. This affordability factor makes them an attractive option for retail investors wanting a piece of the crypto pie without breaking the bank. That's pretty much all about the recent meme coin craze. Okay, what if someone wants to be a part of this meme coin world? Which Solana meme coins should one invest in? And most importantly, how do you buy these meme coins? Well, we will come to that. But first, let's have a look at the top 6 Solana meme coins. Top 6 Solana meme coins. Cryptocurrencies are generally ranked based on their market caps. And according to CoinGecko, the top 6 Solana meme coins are Dog with Hat, Bonk, Book of Meme, Joe Biden, Cat in a Dog's World, and When. 1. Dog with Hat.
You know that token Dog with Hat, basically the biggest meme coin of this cycle? The Dog with Hat mascot, the logo, whatever, it's gonna be on the Las Vegas Sphere. So yeah, these degens pulled together some funds. They hit this $650,000 goal. Man, this coin feels like Sheeb from the last cycle. Obviously not financial advice, but this token looking kind of different, huh?
WIF. Imagine a Shiba Inu pup donning a cute pink hat. That's Dog with Hat for you. Since its launch on November 20th, 2023, it's been on a stellar rise, with its value rocketing by 2,903% in just the first quarter of 2024, hitting a trading price of $3.64. Now sitting as the 38th biggest crypto player, its market cap has soared to $3.6 billion, showcasing its roaring popularity in the meme coin universe. 2. Bonk.
Coinbase today announced that will list the meme coin called Bonk on its exchange, and after this announcement the price of Bonk skyrocketed 40% just from the announcement, and when the trading started on the Coinbase it went up to 75% until the moment of shooting this video.
Launched on Christmas 2022, Bonk took the Solana community by storm, with its price jumping 110% early this year. This Shiba Inu-inspired coin, a nod to Dogecoin, trades at just $0.00002366, but has a hefty $1.5 billion market cap, ranking 78th globally. Its airdrop genesis and unique charm make it a noteworthy contender in the meme coin race. 3. Book of Meme, BOME.
If you would have bought just $100 of the Book of Meme cryptocurrency coin at its all-time low back in March of 2024, here's how much money you would have made. The amount will absolutely shock you. Now, back on March 14, 2024, the all-time low of the BOME token was 0.00005848, and that would have given you 1,709,986 token. Now, just 2 days later, on March 16th, the BOME token reached its all-time high of 2.6 cents. That's more than 460 times your money. So how much would your $100 investment have made you? Your $100 invested in the BOME token would have turned into $45,981.53.
Merging blockchain with meme culture, Book of Meme has already become famous, especially with its NFT twist. Since its March debut, it's seen a jaw-dropping 1,391% price surge, now trading at $0.01467. With a market cap nearing $797 million, it's clear that this meme coin has struck a chord with crypto enthusiasts. 4. Geo Boden, BODEN. A humorous jab at US politics, Geo Boden has capitalized on election fever, soaring 2,352% to a price of 84.69 cents since its March launch. Its market cap of $531 million reflects its growing appeal, especially with its satirical take on President Joe Biden. 5. Cat in a Dog's World, MEW. Challenging the dog-themed meme coin dominance, this cat-themed entrant has seen a 195% price increase, now trading at $0.005529. With a market cap of $451 million, it's proving that cats can indeed make a mark in the dog-dominated meme coin sphere. With Dogecoin and Shiba Inu dominating the meme coin arena, the emergence of a cat-themed crypto coin has turned heads in the market. 6. WEN, WEN. Last but not least, the 6th largest Solana meme coin is WEN. Rooted in the WEN culture, WEN stands out with its cat meme persona and unique NFT collection. Launched in January 2024, it's seen a 468% price leap, trading at $0.0003172 with a $265 million market cap. So these are the top 6 Solana meme coins and have a lot of potential for growth in 2024 and beyond. As you can see, these meme coins have witnessed a remarkable increase in token prices over just a few months, and experts believe that, since these tokens are associated with Solana, they have immense growth potential. Okay, now the question that remains is, how do you buy Solana meme coins? Well, it's a pretty simple process with a few steps.
Here's how you can find the next explosive meme coin before anyone else. You see, recently, cryptocurrency meme coins have been skyrocketing, and one lucky investor turned $251 into more than 1.14 million. That's more than 4,500 times on their money. And with profits from Bitcoin and Ethereum rotating back into altcoin, the next meme coin season could be happening right.
How do you buy Solana meme coins? Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started on this exciting investment journey. Step 1. Do your homework. Before you even think about buying, take a deep dive into each meme coin's universe. Check out the project's background, the team's expertise, the coin's purpose, and its development path. This market is known for its wild swings, so understanding what you're getting into is key. Step 2. Buy SOL tokens. Your gateway to meme coins is through Solana's native token SOL. That's something you can't skip. Just head over to exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, or Bybit, grab some SOL, and you're on your way. Step 3. transfer to a Solana wallet. Once you've got your SOL, move it to a Solana-compatible wallet like Phantom Wallet. It's user-friendly and can be added as a browser extension or installed on your mobile device. Step 4. Search for potential meme coins. Now, with your wallet ready, it's time to hunt for those gems. Use tools like Solana Dex Screener to sift through a bunch of Solana blockchain meme coins. Remember, community enthusiasm is a big deal. An engaged and active community can significantly impact a meme coin's trajectory. Check out social media platforms, especially X, formerly Twitter, to estimate the coin's popularity and community vibe. 5. Select a decentralized exchange, DEX. With the Solana ecosystem, you're spoiled for choice with DEXs like Binance, Coinbase, etc. Just pick any of them. But you should be very careful. Ensure you're dealing with a genuine coin and not a counterfeit by double-checking the contract address and the official meme coin's social media. Step 6. Make the trade. With your research done, SOL in your wallet, and a promising meme coin in sight, it's time to make a move. Head to the DEX of your choice, connect your Phantom wallet, enter the meme coin's contract address carefully, and swap your SOL for the meme coin, and you're done. Following these steps meticulously can help you navigate the Solana meme coin market effectively. Remember, while the potential for profit is significant, so is the risk. So always do your homework and prepare for market volatility. Now that you know why and how to buy Solana meme coins, you can start doing your homework. Just a piece of advice from our end. Never put all your eggs in one basket. Always diversify your investment. Watch our next video to learn how to get rich in the digital economy. But before you leave, make sure you've subscribed to our channel, and if you enjoyed this video, leave a like. It means a lot to us. We will be back with another video soon.